Hello everyone, this is Shweta. Welcome to the Innovative Workspace. Today we will see how we can give the dual color of our gallery in PowerApps. You can see this example. This color is purple with white combination. So how we can achieve this functionality? Let's see this video. This is my gallery in PowerApps. Select your gallery. In the items property, I have written in a data source. Here I am using with function with under which we will pass our items. If you are using the collection, then you can pass your collection name. Here I am using my product list. Then I am using for all function. For all. So for all returns a table of values with row number included. Then sequence. After sequence, we will give the count rows function. Under count rows, we will pass our items. Then patch. After patch, we will use a last function. First 10, then items, after that value. Now we will give the one row number column, row number column value. Now let me explain you the code. Here we are using for all function to return all the value of table with the row number included. Now we are using the count rows function. Count rows that it will be give you the result that how many rows are present in this list or the collection if you are using. Then we are using the sequence function. So sequence will use to generate a row number. Then what we are doing? We are patch the new row number into a new column name which is our row number. This what it will be do? It will be patch a new row number in this row number value. Okay. Once we do this code in our items property, we have to go to the template fill property and then we have to give the code like oh sorry, here we will give the code if mod this item dot row number is 2 is equal to 0, then RGBA we will give here a white color, else I am giving You can give any color code as per requirement. Now you can see the formula. You can play this. You can see it is dual color of gallery. Now you are thinking, why are we are not using here, like here we are using this item dot row number. Can we use the id column over here, like can we use this item dot id without writing the code? So if you will use the this item dot id without return code on the items property, then what issue will be there? Suppose some of the id which is deleted from the backend, then it will be create an issue. That's why here we are using a new column which is row number. That's why we have to write a code on the items property. Thank you. Thanks for watching.